it to be like a vlog video too much. I want it to be more of like a little bit cinematic, kind of focus on the car and the videos that I make. What I'm better at than fucking vlogging. I hate vlogging, but I like to share my stuff with you guys. Today is just gonna be a simple video. It's not much I can do today. I'm gonna just be cleaning the Mazda, kind of giving it the love it needs, washing it. Gonna take some videos, take it to the park, get some shots of it driving, some POV of the driving, post it on YouTube because I have it on my TikTok and Instagram. Other than that, I don't want to talk too much in this video, so let's get right into it. So, like I said, I didn't want to talk too much in this video. I just wanted to put it together, put a cinematic together, and just for you guys to watch it. Made it to the park, shot the videos, took some great pictures. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down if you want more videos like this, you want more vlogs, if you want something new, you know? Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Peace.